Welcome to the Legion training series. Today I want to talk about how to send out invitations to use the application and then how to accept those applications and begin using the software. So bear with me for just a moment as I connect remotely here so that you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, now that we're inside the application, what we're going to do, if we want to invite individuals to the application, we need to go to the People tab, which is here just next to the yellow flag. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and then you'll see what I have listed as sales reps that are currently inside of the organization that I'm a part of, but then you'll also see invitations. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on invitations. In there, you'll see a list of 5 pending invitations that I have available right now. But what I want to do is go through a new invitation and take you through that process. So I go ahead and I click New Invitation. It then brings up this prompt to add in some detail there. I'm going to go ahead and type in a new email address so that we can receive that. And then, as you'll notice here, I choose an organization. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the DataReef organization. You'll be able to select any organization of which you are a part as an owner. Now, just bear in mind, again, owners are the only individuals that have rights to be able to invite other people to the application. So after I choose the organization, then I'm going to go ahead and choose a role. I'm going to assign myself as a member, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And let's see, I forgot the @ in there, so you'll notice it checks the address and will notify you if something is not right, if it's not a valid email. Okay, that looks better. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Successfully invited, and there we go. Now, I'm going to go ahead and look at my email, if you'll notice here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go to my email. As I pull down on my email to refresh, you'll see the invitation there. Territory Manager, you've been invited to join DataReef. So I go ahead and click on that. And if I have not downloaded the app at that time, then that's the button that I'll push there. After downloading the app, then all I need to do is accept the invitation. So I'm going to go ahead and accept the invitation. And there we go. Now I'm into the application and will be privy to anything that has been allocated to me as a member inside the application. So as a owner of the organization, I have certain rights. As a manager, I have certain rights. And then obviously as a member, I do as well. Now inside there, I want to give you a view. I'm still actually logged in as my owner user, but I want to show you what you'll be able to see inside of the organization if I were to come in as I just set up there as myself for the territory. Now, if I were to do that, here is a territory, and this is what I would be able to then assign to myself or to others, obviously, that I've invited. And so this is going to be the view as a member that you're going to have inside of that territory. And it's territory specific, so you managers, you're going to be able to make sure that folks are working only in those areas of which they're a part. Inside of the application, we've gone through in other trainings all of the functionality that you'll find inside here, inside of the application and so forth. So that's just a quick basic introduction to how to send an invitation, what that invitation looks like on the other end of things, and then where that will take you into the application. Appreciate your time. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next training.